Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Uncovered. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. Officers respond after an argument between two people draws police to the scene. What begins as a call to keep the peace quickly turns into a situation where every decision, and every reaction, can change how the encounter unfolds. The breakdown starts now.
Natalie, I hope it's worth it.
49, can you send 9?
What do you want?
I'm just trying to go home, make sure.
I'm sorry I'm ill and I'm about to go in the house and go to bed.
Hold on, what's going on?
Nothing's going
Can you just talk
on.
to this officer for me?
We have to.
Nothing's going on.
All right.
I'm jealous and I'm irritated. That's what's going on.
I get
and I'm
it.
going to bed. So that's it.
I know. We got a call.
Before making any decisions, officers are focused on sorting out what happened. The female appears somewhat agitated and they'll be watching closely to see if her behavior escalates or if the conversation stays under control.
That's
Okay,
why we got to
I'm
come
sorry
out.
y'all got a call. I'm going to bed. We're not fighting or nothing.
Okay.
I'm mad at him.
Okay, fair.
So
Listen,
that's it.
there's nothing illegal about being
I don't
mad
want
at
him
somebody.
to go to jail or nothing. What is he talking to him for?
So, when we get a call like that, if it looks like maybe two people are arguing, we kind of try to speak to both parties, make sure
Okay,
everything's okay.
understood.
That's all.
She keeps talking as officers try to get the conversation under control. Right now, they're giving her room to speak while looking for clear answers instead of reacting to every comment.
I don't want nobody to be in trouble.
Okay.
Just him to go home and me go home.
Okay.
He don't give a fucking item either. I don't want nobody to be in trouble.
I get it.
That's okay. We can all stand here and
Ma'am,
offer.
Relax,
So-
relax.
Excuse
Step
me,
back,
you don't
step back,
have permission to
step back,
touch me?
Step back. Relax.
So excuse me.
All right, hold on, listen to me. What's your first
Hey,
name?
so my name is Sarah Miko and you don't have permission to touch me.
Her tone is becoming more confrontational, and officers will be watching closely for any shift from words to actions. Changes in behavior like this can quickly influence how they manage the scene.
You have no evidence or anything to touch me. I live here and I have a birth certificate and everything lives here. Time out. You don't get to touch me.
Okay,
Goodbye. Good night.
don't walk.
Listen, you're not allowed to leave.
You're not allowed to touch me. I know my rights. Excuse me, sir. I know my
We're
rights.
investigating a disturbance.
And
Right now,
that's fine.
you are detained, so you can
Right now,
remain.
I'm not.
She's becoming increasingly combative, and officers are starting to shift from patience to firmer communication. As cooperation breaks down, their focus turns to keeping the environment under control before it escalates further.
You can remain calm,
Right now.
and we can figure this
I
out,
am not
or you can be
detained.
uncooperative
So
and
under
go in
the law,
cuffs.
you have to give me proof that
I
I'm
don't
detained.
got to do nothing like
yes,
that.
you do.
Okay.
If you look up the
Okay,
law,
so
you have to
what's
give me
your-
proof
what's your
that I'm
ID?
detained.
Let me see
So
some
once
ID.
you give me proof
Hold on,
that
hold on,
I'm
hold on,
detained,
hold on.
other than that, I'm going in my house.
No, you're not.
Everything else.
You have to give me proof that I'm detained.
Officers are running out of patience as her behavior continues to escalate. They're about to move beyond verbal commands and take action to bring the scene back under control.
Go ahead, 1-5.
Back up! Back
He's
up!
up.
Back up! I told you not to go. You were detained. Okay, now you're under arrest for obstruction. Nice.
Bro, I live here, bro. What are you talking about? You don't.
I told you you were detained.
Why am I detained?
Her focus stays on arguing with officers, but the call has already reached a turning point. What began as an attempt to manage the scene is now becoming an arrest after her actions cross that line.
Excuse me, sir. Why am I detained? You're not going to tell me? Do you know that's against the law? You have to prove to me why I'm detained. Are you concerning to that? Excuse me, sir. Are you confirming why I'm detained? Excuse me. Can you tell me why I'm detained?
Please. You're under arrest.
Officers are working to get her into handcuffs, but she's still arguing instead of cooperating. At this stage, the arrest is already in motion, and she's on her way to jail.
Yeah, that's fine. My hands are behind my back. Can you tell me why I'm detained? You have to tell me that under the law. Under the law, you have to tell me why I'm detained. Issa! Why am I being arrested right now? You have to tell me why I'm being arrested.
The encounter ended with her being taken into custody. According to the case outcome, she faces charges of resisting arrest, battery on an officer, domestic violence, and obstructing justice. When cooperation breaks down, officers often have fewer options for safely resolving the call. What are your thoughts on how this encounter unfolded? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Alright, that's the end of today's breakdown. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, how do you think this situation went down? Did the officers handle it the right way, or would you have done something differently? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Bodycam Breakdown.